Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
In fact, the course no a film kakra, but it looks like me my worry there hami no ye say akoye say ye ja wo mo kan nyina na ye ni Nigeria for na ekuntokwa ye ja wo mo nyina
no go ahead.
Ye ja wo mo nyina na ye attack Nigeria for nkwa. Now I think the enye fair because say you see pa the course now. Apart from the Nigerian nationals, no, you were Chinese for. You were all manner of people. I work Ghana Hanum here. They are into retail business. But you see, I'm quick to caution say who be na ni color. It is a Bruni. Auton DNA or Ghana Hanuma, be careful. Some of them are Ghanaians, especially in Lebanese. For any, I didn't know I'm going to catch you crack to chain. Wamu abetra Hanuma ye, what do you call it? I Ghana for Manabro. So, we need to be careful. But that is not to say, I am not say I'm protecting. Yeah, you be blue. I mean, you be share. Haina yama, mrano enjejuma. Look, Guta for the woman kano yano kre. I don't blame Guta. Me blame woman kra because we share GIPC law na kasana. It states say some areas will be trade I preserve where ye jano the ama ye Ghana for. Entima obi a ofi amanoni. And outside Ghana no and find who met him. But the question you say who say and Sadi you bet me I implement here now. I am right, you bet me the juma na. Mra GIPC and Kasa bet me I enforce now because we share GIPC and Kasa Krano Buno. Almost staff strength yahi. Almost staff strength yahi. Can they be everywhere? And I say, can we implement this law to the letter? Is it possible? Okasa about the implications. Say, you start to say, because we have that history. Say, 69, Nigeria for 1983. And then, as I speak to you, there are a lot of Ghanaians in Nigeria. Look, I went to Abuja about 4 years ago. Now between Azikiwe Airport to Abuja proper, yeah, call Kwanzi na me coconut. And I catch a driver and say, "Oh, onyina hono na me tobi because now me minimum I dry pa. Onyina hono no." Then the man started speaking Twi. See the old man or started say, "Hey, you need to say." Because you see, it looks so isolated for me because between the airport and Abuja, no, you can't. Maybe I can't just obey who and then say BBC, you wouldn't even think they obey who anybody ofi Ghana ha. But you see, it so happens say he even went ahead to tell me say those cassava farms they were Ghanaians don't know cassava they were I see Ghanaians no do cassava no in fact it's later almost do cassava no the man this roots and tuber for program bia wo mo ye until most of them now some of them no so no Nigerians and wo better Ghana hanum ya wo mo hanum ni ade kwame oba mi krom krobo honum kra ena mi no kaze ye wo Nigerians a wo matra honum se wo ma se wo ebinim efre ebinim sakete ni ade nyina wo ho married and whatever that is how far your new relationship no akwakudu. But the fact is that enu njire say ye mra ya wo hanum no ye fa nya adwuma so dia say say hwe na say mra na wo honum se no aye outdated an implementation no emma asundwe emma between ye and sister nations there. Then we need to sit down and review in the context of ECOWAS protocols near, because ECOWAS protocols near there you sign here. Me you know I say Ghana for Nigeria for woman sign it. Now ye there you sign here. It doesn't mean say you sign in Nigeria for sign here. We have to stop them. No. So the make say we have decided not to, and we have decided to set a good example. And everybody. Yes, signing. I don't think say if you say signing, you know, say Nigeria for one signing, you know, they cannot take advantage of the market here. We have decided say to take the lead, rightly or wrongly. Yeah, decided, and until we need to domesticate that law there we had on. And it, what it means, they say, on the face of that agreement, you know, another protocol, no, this current GIPC, right, 8 million juma mani. So the woman here say, let's revise the law now. If indeed we believe in the ECOWAS protocols, because Nancy, any trade committee, any GIPC, and the CEO can say he had what he said. Buhari can be said they will not sit down for foreign nationals to come and take over one local business. Okay. But on one side can say, or did say, I mean, it was politics as usual. Because now you over mobile phones is here. Okay, the trading apps there Obi bet you are transfer baby no to atona there. You don't need to be in the marketplace.
Yeah.
You can do business.
Online marketing.
And then Kwame, baby I will mute easily go hormono. Uko easily goes is here. Very quiet places. You know the kind of business that is going on. People want set it up. Now you only need to, you know, give them your number and where you live, and they will bring the goods. Where they keep the goods, some of the adverts they cry telephone numbers they want to be in Nigeria, and these things have come to stay. And you know, say a person, you live in peace. There, we either say we don't believe in the protocols. They say there, Nigeria for can say one day sign. We should also not sign. Now,
but you signed that.
You signed there. That is not an excuse for us to say Nigeria for more because one sign here. But what you are embracing all of friends saying what do ECOWAS nationals. One day there be, and you know ECOWAS national won't feel for Naba. Some will come from Nigeria. It won't be behind my baby. And you know the recommendation is very simple. Me say if we believe in the protocols now. You are signing there. Let's domesticate the protocols, and that will require say you better your GIPC mrane wo honu sesi ano na amending, or you can say we believe in the protocols. You can say we withdraw. You better withdraw. Now you are sticking to your mrane wo honu because uhe mrane mienu na uwe na. On the face of it, technology near the it says who the year Juma day, and we will continue to have what you have because Guta they are not wrong. Guta for no, they are not wrong because this is the law.
Ain't question. I don't think Yaya Shahai Amana Bedu Baby. Nature may be say Mekaya. I'm sure probably you even have a better memory of this than I do. Tama Rahana Tete, a trade minister.
That's right.
Sa issue with Guta came up.
Yes.
No, you know, for want of a better, they papered over the cracks. I say, your cracks, some nan essence. Spielgabra Bay, the same thing on a Satana, Neil and Tivandapo and the deputy. It be Pejai Dindi and the soldier phone police for call marketplace. Nancy Oral and Chematin, dear, so Asa Peja. I'm a Carlos I Hinkra, ne, a Honka Lindsay. A solid ready for Casaya, Guta Fudi, and I say Asaya Jobre. Asa Pejabio.
That's right.
Swami, Sisi and Yako Sono. I said we're targeting Nigerians. In Tibia, I can say there's a xenophobic attack targeting Nigerians. Now, I didn't think the names we were protocols we were dangers inherently. But yet it was Shama. I say gin some back a crack. One day it may be a full blown out BBB. And sana you want by also.
Kwame, see, the point is that we are seeing a year normal the times in which we are now no and then globally who share the ecoswa. I mean, you know, a bit more protocols are signed a you know, a bit more about women say they don't believe in it near they are women withdraw no maybe bring ecoswa and you know we must also sit up the no man ya di ensa ko hihye ase no why say be teaching and to where yeah they can we can you know get out of those things and di ensa ko hihye ase no we can decide. We only have to come to parliament they can say you be say you say any ye mra e wo Ghana how near the boy bra anything no ye daso ssa dey mu moye so they make an say I think only idea be all ye hwena say protocols no any dey wa hanom no bobra na ye feel say we still need to belong to that community no or that your friend ECOWAS there ye be boom ran e what no there then we need to domesticate those protocols no in the form of our laws na wa hanom no and you know it will call for amendment e what GIPC the bu trading who so they say and you know aba esiewie whether start we and not this is the I mean problem eda hono and yempe kwan e betimi solve because they are solve if we don't solve the problem now it will every time ebeba up but you see the make say the me ha me kakra no you say it looks like Chinese one wo hono mu galamsey wo mu ye galamsey Chinese for ton amatise mu ton jeli ni ade nyina so ko western region ni we no
why asofo
wo mu ye
anyway
you're very careful because see today they are okay nura Asia foreign affairs for and what they told us was that woma ye search woma West Africa whatever who say the whole of this west coast no can't be any home or emrebia at say GIPC Nigeria don't have you know what do you call it
so are they suggesting that we're discriminating?
Well anything no womu die feel say you can in GIPC law na they come about communities and whatever they are it's the whole of it's West Africa by their definition you know their definition they have really expanded the thing one be market you know they want to define it as the whole of West Africa.
Let me read
what I said was that if this is the kind of definition we are do you blame Guta? Then it means that we have to come out and tell Guta say yeah mistake we to task with because
one question.
Maybe I mean we didn't educate them insofar as the law or we misinformed them insofar as the law no it's consent.
Sorry.
Because you misinform them and you know we need to tell them say this is what we have done and it is wrong so this is not what we're expecting to happen and you know how do we solve the problem. Otherwise say you see you be general near this interpretation because they will go to court and because that is the law they were hormone.
Peace FM 104.3 Good to meet